Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Happy. So in this video I'm going to be teaching us how to use miracle leaf, which is also called leaf of life, to cure cough, asthma. So for those of us that do not know how or what miracle leaf looks like, so here it is. This is miracle leaf, as you can see. So first thing first, I wash my miracle leaf, wash it thoroughly. Some people do eat it like this, but that's not the way to use it for cough. I think that one is for hypertensive patients. So what I'm going to do after lighting my gas, just bring it down a little bit, you know, and put. You see this leaf, the leaf is so strong. So by doing it, you are just going to melt it, so you can squeeze the water out. So the purpose of this is to extract the juice from it. Okay, so you just put them in. So as you can see, the leaf is already melted down. So all we need to do is to squeeze out the juice. You can see the water coming out. Yes. So if you don't melt it with the heat first, the juice will not easily come off like this. So you see the juice is that simple. So once you're done with that, you just go in with a little pinch of salt, just a little, and that's it. So just stir it and drink it. This is very effective for cough. It is effective for asthmatic patients. So what you do, if you need this, you can actually plant this at the back of your house. So like me, I have it at the back of my house. So whenever there is cough, maybe my children come up with cold or anything, I'll just go there, pluck and squeeze it. Even myself, I use it. And also I do use a palm kernel oil instead of salt. So the two works very fine. And if this video was very helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. It's a new channel. So in this channel, I'm going to be doing stuff about tutorials. So watch out for more videos. Bye.